Sandor Mulso. I'm the head of the Office of Resource and Environmental Monitoring of the International Seabed Authority. And first of all, I would like to thank the GSR for hosting the workshop here. Chris, thank you very much. And the team of Amber Ruser that have done a wonderful job and what we've seen so far. This is a beautiful city. It's my second time in Ghent. And what I'm going to talk a little bit is I would like to repeat what we have done already in the Meiofauna and the Microfauna workshop that we did recently in Korea. And it has to do with this is a working workshop, it's not a presentation workshop. And it's structured in such a way that we presented to contractors the reality of the different groups categorized in human life by size. Megafauna, macrofauna, and now meiofauna. In nature, the size doesn't work too much. But what we're going to do in this workshop, as I repeat, is the first part is going to be an introduction to all the problems and the state of the art on the taxonomy standardization by very specific groups. We have 8 experts invited, and what I would like to do is not only the experts are here, but also the constructors are here. And in most of the cases, like in Korea, the constructor always sends the expert that is working in that particular group. So what I would like to do is to go from this side of the room, introducing each one of you, saying you are an expert, you are a consultant, or you are from the International Seabed Authority, and what is your role doing here, but so that everybody knows who is who. Because on one of these days we are going to go to a practical session, as we did in Korea as well, where you might need to know, oh, this is the person I need to talk to. These are the problems I have. So that's the point. So I will start from this side. You already introduced yourself, but please.
Okay. So my name, as I introduced myself already, my name is Anne van der Russel. I'm doing Meiofauna research since 1984. I can call myself a little bit an expert in Meiofauna, which focus on nematodes. I did some taxonomic work, but I mainly did ecological work, and I will be happy to help you on a Wednesday with some of your practical questions, issues, and as I already indicated, we are hosting this workshop.
My name is Chris van Nijen, and I'm the contact.
I work here.
Yuan Chen from Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. I'm here as a part of one of the representative COMRA. Myself, by training, I was trained as a benthic ecologist, and my early career was working on marine polychaete, taxonomy and ecology. And then my PhD was on the polychaete larval ecology. So now I would say I'm a marine molecular ecologist and cover a broad spectrum of the marine habitat. So from the microbial metagenomics to the omics of the invertebrate, marine invertebrate. My lab working on crustaceans and the polychaetes and also the mollusks. So I'm here to just trying to learn what's going on in terms of the deep seas and the marine benthos. Thank you.
We first from China, so
Okay, and I'm Lori, and I'm from China, and joined the Kona group and Kona officer.
I'm David Billett. I'm a deep sea ecologist and also a member of the present Legal and Technical Commission for 1 more year.
Hi, I'm Elba Escobar. I'm a benthic ecologist. I work deep sea ecology and within fauna. And I'm also a member of the Legal and Technical Commission, working for the International Seabed Authority for the last year.
Reinhard Müller from University of Copenhagen.
The last 40 years worked with Meiofauna, not only in the deep sea but also in limits and especially in the polar region. So I've been the director of Arctic State in Greenland for 20 years. So I'm here to talk about the water bear, lovely animals, and about a book you perhaps idea that is very common in the deep sea and in the area as the movie we are here about, but also in Antarctica in the deep sea there also.
Hi, I'm Nuria Sanchez. I come from the University of Complutense of Madrid, and I work in Cainories. I have been working in this group from 7 years ago, and I'm focused not only in the deep sea, but also in shallow waters. But we also have some specimens described from the deep sea.
Hello, I'm Gordon Patterson. I'm from the Natural History Museum in London. I've been involved with the other two workshops, helping to facilitate the workshop and trying to pull together recommendations on taxonomy. My specialist subject, I suppose, is polychaetes. So I'm not really a Meiofauna biologist. I'm here to learn as well and to try and pull together some ideas that we might take forward.
Pedro.
Hello, I'm Pedro Martinez from Senckenberg Institute and University of Oldenburg in Germany. And I am an expert for copepods, very small crustaceans. So I'm working with Meiofauna, specifically with copepods, everything related to taxonomy, ecology, and species distribution.
Daniel.
My name is Daniel Leduc. I'm a scientist at Newark in New Zealand. I work on Meiofauna, both the ecology and taxonomy. Been involved with some work managing seabed mining, deep seabed mining in New Zealand, as well as working on the taxonomy of nematodes.
Hi, I'm Daniela Zucchelli from Infirmer, France, Brest. I have a background as in Meiofauna and Meiosphere monkeys.
Jack.
I'm Jan Pawlowski from the University of Geneva, Switzerland. So it's a little bit complicated, but I'm expert. I'm expert from foreignifers, so single-cell eukaryotes that are important part of Meiofauna, but not everybody recognizes them as a part of Meiofauna because they are not fauna. And, but I'm not here to talk about forums, but I'm here because I have another expertise in molecular work. And I'm now developing tools, genomic tools, to identify species, to assess the diversity, and more or less to see how you can use genomic tools to assess environmental monitoring.
Thank you.
I'm Andrew Goodey from the National Oceanography Centre in Southampton in the UK. I'm an author, specialist of forams, chromosomes. I actually started life as a micropaleontologist, and I worked on Devonian ostracods, paleozoic but I've been working on forams since the last 40 years or so. Yeah, I'm here to
Stefan.
Stefan Breger, working as a biologist for the Secretariat.
Hi, my name is Natsumu Kamiya from Japan Oil and Gas Metals National Corporation, JOGMEC. And the JOGMEC is a contractor for CRAS project. And I myself is not a biologist. I'm a mining engineer, and I'm supervising our deep sea project, including the polymetallic sulfide project within our economic zone. Thank you very much.
My name is Thomas Kukushima, working for Jamstack. This time I'm on behalf of liberation. I'm about those activity. My original major is deep sea ecology, but I am now about deep sea policy, ocean policy is my major.
In this time, I'd like to know, I'd like to learn about how to treat the foraminifera and nematode. Thank you for your comprehension.
Hello everyone. My name is Hideki Tsukishima. I work for Government Japan. I'm in charge of metal mining technology department. I'd like to share the information of Meiofauna taxonomy and master how to identify Meiofauna. Thank you.
My name is Volkan Spianova. I'm the representative of Contractor International Metal Joint Organization. I'm responsible for deep sea environmental research carried out by IOM. My background is a little bit complicated. I'm an exploration geologist, and especially the last 20 years I am involved in deep sea environmental research.
My name is Simon Creed from Banking University in the United Kingdom. My background is in ecology, evolution and phylogenetics, but like Jan, I've spent the past 10 years specialising in the molecular genetic identification of biodiversity. Lots of that work